how will your business ever grow if you're not willing to tell me what you're all about? Your habits really determines your outcome. And it's amazing when you start writing things down, how they actually manifest in your life. How you take your scattered thoughts and actually put it on paper, and it just becomes real. Everything you write down becomes a reality. So I do that same with my finances. I know exactly if £5 comes in, I know exactly where you need to go to. I mean, for most entrepreneurs, which is that portion is good as well. I mean, they're just chasing sales and to get the money into the bank, but they don't have any structure of when the money is actually in the bank of where you need to go to. And then they kind of, and the thing most entrepreneurs do is they use the debit card of the business for their private use, and they just swipe the card every single day. And before they know it, they drawings of 80,000 Rand for the month, and they don't know, they didn't even know that because they haven't tracked it. So I think to start with is know your budget, know exactly your budget in your business and your private life. And then if you haven't done so yet, open a personal bank account for yourself and use that budget that you allocated for yourself and pay every month from your business account to your personal account, structure your tax and everything in there, and make sure you only pay that amount every month to yourself. And then obviously every quarter, every 6 months, every year, you can declare a dividend to yourself or a bonus or however you want to call it. But then at least, I mean, the purpose of the business is really to start creating capital in your business. And you will never do so when you live from the bank account, when you use the debit card of the business and really just swipe every day and swipe the card and pull all the money from the bank account. You will live from the bank account and you will never track of it. I mean, you're so busy chasing sales that the rest of everything else falls off. The biggest tip I can give to any entrepreneur regarding finances: make sure you have a business account and a personal account. Doesn't matter if you're a sole proprietor. Open a personal account and transfer your funds every month. Once a month, you transfer your funds over to your personal capacity. And then you've got the saying of paying yourself first, and it's a very dangerous saying if you don't understand that. Ultimately, is when you know exactly where your money must go to, at the end of the month when you do your payment for yourself, you can start putting the payments to wherever you need to go to, including your investment plans, savings plans, whatever your choice are.
I just wanted to remind you about the Daily Entrepreneur Tips series. It's a business growth series for entrepreneurs and contains financial information and also information to grow you as a person and your business, because we will never grow our business any higher than we grow ourselves. So click on the link below and I will send you daily information to grow you as a person and your business, and it's for 365 days of the year.